Guys, I want to say this right now, that before you see what you are about to see, first thing I will tell you is that if I were you, I wouldn't stay on the whole video, because all you're going to be hearing is seatbelt dinging in a 2021 Corolla for about 1.5 minutes. And before you guys start commenting, well, what's the point of that? Well, the point of that video is that that's a car that you have to wear your seatbelt if you don't want to wear it in town, because it will give you a headache. And I will let you know that, warn you that now. It will give you a headache if you stay on the whole video, because it gets louder and all that stuff. The first few dings, first 4 dings, it's a little quiet and slow, but when it gets to the 5th ding, it starts constantly beeping and it gets real louder. So the point of that is that you gotta wear your seatbelt if you don't want to, or cut one of those seatbelt latches out of a junk car and stick it in there and it'll quit dinging. So that's the point of making this video if you guys own a Toyota. But yeah, they don't screw around with that crap. But well, let's get to the video. Beware, guys. You don't want to be on the whole time. If you are, great, but I would turn the sound down. It might give you a headache. 1 ding. We'll do it again. Yep, you gotta hear this. Is that annoying or what?
I wonder how long it's going to take going.
It'll shut up eventually. Isn't that worse than the Navigator?
Oh, yeah.
Toyota doesn't screw around.
That lives behind us.
Yes. It will. Okay, it won't. Had enough.
When's it going to shut up?
It shuts up eventually. It takes a while. This should be called the most annoying seatbelt dinger ever.
About time.
There is that. Toyota.
Does it